Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here, so you wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you guys. So this time, we have you, Natisha Fernando 626. I think that's your name or so. You wished for Fast X here, song My City. It's with HERBO, 24KGOLDN, Kane Brown. So a cool song here. We'll look at this chord that is the same through entire song, 4 chords only. And we have 2 different variations of strumming here we'll go through here. So this is especially for you, Natisha, and for all you fans of the Fast X here. So let's start this right away. Capo on third, all right. So with that, we have the easiest chords possible. So with capo on third, we have A minor, F, C, and E minor in that order through entire song. Let's start with A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the next F here, it's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest you need to add is third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so I showed you here in the introduction of the tutorial 2 different ways of playing this. The first string pattern we're going to go through now first is more focused on the beat, and the second then is a little bit more of the rhythm. So anyway, let's look at the first version, and I can just say that you can go either way here. No one here is more right or wrong. We have one guitar, and this is like a full-blown song here with the beats and everything, melody. So we do what we can with one guitar. So you go either more focused on the beat or with the rhythm now. So let's take a look at the first one. It's down, down, up, clap, down, up, like this with A minor. So you have down, down, up, clap, down, up. That is one round. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. It goes like this. And so on. So we have this chord progression, like I mentioned, A minor, F, C, and E minor. You're gonna play 1 string round per chord, and then it sounds like this. Yeah, so that's the first one, and then we have the second string pattern. More on the rhythm here. This one is divided into 2 different parts. That means the first 2 chords split on 1 full round, and the next 2 final chords split on 1 full round. So let's look at the transition here from the first pair here, the A minor to F. Alright, so the A minor we will play for part 1, and that is a very easy part. It's just 2 downs like this. So down, down. Okay, and then you switch to the next chord, part 2. Now you need to work a little bit more. This is the F now in this case. You're gonna play up, down, 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 up. So up, down, then down, down, up. Up, down, 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 up. So if we connect these 2 parts slowly, it will be then you continue in the same way with C, part 1, in the same way as A minor, down, down. And then the final chord, E minor, in the same way as F, part 2, up, down, 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 up. So C, E minor sounds. And a couple around with standard tempo goes. So on. All right, so you can just mix it up here. No one is more right than the other one. It's up to you to go there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Natisha Fernando 626. This was specially for you and for all you FX Fast X fans. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Keep on wishing here and going guitar. Perhaps it's your song next time. So till next time, play tuned.